So dust like this is actually going to attract mold and bacteria. This is really not what you want to see, right? Here's how you can take an old bathroom fan and make it look like new in under 5 minutes. You want to start by just pulling down your fan, and your fan should never look like this. This is really dirty, and you're actually supposed to clean your fan every 6 months, and this has clearly not been cleaned in, I would say, years. So dust like this is actually going to attract mold and bacteria. Let's clean this up and get our new cover on there. Step 1 is to clean your bathroom fan with a vacuum and a brush. In order to determine what type of clips we're going to use, you need to measure the housing of your fan, which is essentially the opening here. So our fan here, width to width, is 10 by 10. That is going to determine what type of clips you need for the installation. Now, if you take a look at these are the clips that are actually going to hold your fan together. And this is for Braun or New Tone fans. However, I'm actually using this today on a Panasonic fan. So I'm using these clips right here. What I have found is you can use this cover on different fans, but you might have to try different clips to see what works for you. I'm gonna link to everything in the description though for the size. Let's try this out. To install your clips, you actually have 2 different options here depending on the size of your fan, the outside and the inside clips. And to install them, you simply apply a little bit of pressure here, and that is how you install it. Once you have your clips sized correctly, you're gonna look right here in the housing, and you're trying to aim for the clips to enter right in here on both sides. Now, the advantage of installing a cover like this is that you're gonna save time, money, and the installation required to install a new bathroom fan. And if you've seen my videos on that, it does take a little bit of effort. This, however, does not. For more videos on how you can upgrade your bathroom, check out the links right here.